Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Neanderthal face filter on TikTok. So this is the effect. To get this effect on TikTok, what you have to do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, and remember trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and search for Neanderthal. Okay, the first one with 24.9 million videos, tap there. Okay, this is the effect. Okay, this is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for Neanderthal filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect name, just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Likewise. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, what you can do, let me close this one. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon, just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you on the next video.